let's go ahead and try playing our first song just on a C chord. So I will put the lyrics up to the side, but we are just going to play on a C chord with down strums on the half beat. So go ahead and take your third finger and put it on the bottom string of the third fret, and that's going to be our C chord. We're going to play row, row, row your boat. And I will sing and you can just play along on these down beats. This is our beat. 1, 2, here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.